How to crossplay Overcooked 2 PS4 and PC. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this instructional video, I'll demonstrate the process of enabling crossplay between Overcooked 2 on PlayStation 4 and PC. By default, crossplay is supported on all versions of the Overcooked. However, if you wish to play with someone on a different platform, such as PC and PlayStation 4, you must ensure that you have the appropriate version of the game. Overcooked 2 does not natively support crossplay between PlayStation 4 and PC. To facilitate crossplay between these platforms, you must obtain the Overcooked All You Can Eat edition. Without this edition, crossplay between PC and PS4 is not possible. Crossplay is limited to Steam and Epic on PC or among console players exclusively. Unfortunately, there is no built-in option for the cross-platform between the PC and PlayStation 4 in Overcooked 2. Nevertheless, with the All-You-Can-Eat edition, you can easily engage in the crossplay by accessing the Friends tab in the right side menu and adding your friends from there. I trust that this explanation has been helpful in clarifying how to enable crossplay between PlayStation 4 and PC in Overcooked 2. If you found this video to be informative, please consider liking and subscribing for more quick and straightforward tips. Thank you for watching and happy gaming.